So this is Orville. It's a restaurant, Thomasville Airport. It's like little aircraft hanging from the ceiling. It's kind of cool.
Danny would love it.
Danny would love it. Then the table is like airplanes too. And then
Ketchup bottle.
and little ketchup bottles, Orvilles. And then we got
War in the plane.
War in the plane, which we don't think flies anymore. This is pretty funny. Oh, you have to see our waitress. Hold on. I don't know where she's at. Look at all the planes. I wonder if it's planes. They're all hanging up. And the planes on the wall. And the planes on the table. I actually like this restaurant. This is funny.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Definitely went to Orville's restaurant. There's the flyers.
Crazy lady waitress.
Yeah.
Made a really funny face.
There's the restaurant. Planes, like everywhere. And there's Warren. Warren's so pretty.
Warren hasn't moved.
I know.
Still stationary. Not going anywhere.